Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix internet time sync not working in Windows 11, 10. First method is type services in Windows search bar, click service. Open Windows Time Service, change Startup type to Automatic, click Start, click Apply, click OK, restart the service. Second method is type timedate.cpl in Windows search bar, click timedate.cpl. Click Internet Time tab, click Change Settings, change to another server, click Update now. Third method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type netstop W32 time. Type W32TM space, /unregister. Type W32TM space, /register. Type netstart W32 time. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.